I am Huzaifa Yunusofa from Faculty of Medicine General Ahmadiyani University. For the research title is Complication of Patient with Acute Appendicitis Who Came for Treatment to Dustira Hospital in 2018 until 2020. As we know, appendicitis is an inflammation that occurs in the vermiform appendix, and this disease is one of the abdominal emergency that require immediate surgery to prevent the patient from getting worse. The course of the disease from the onset of symptom to the occurrence of perforation can take place quickly. 20% of cases of perforation of the appendix occur within 48 hours. Even within 36 hours after symptom appear, perforation can occur. A typical symptom, delay in treatment, the presence of arteriosclerosis, and the occurrence of anatomical change in the vermiform appendix such as a narrowing of the lumen can be factors that influence the high incidence of perforated appendicitis. This proves that complications in patients with appendicitis arise very quickly, so that it requires prompt and appropriate attention and treatment from doctor. For the method of this research is descriptive observational research with a cross-sectional approach. The data used is secondary data at Dustira Hospital. The data collected from the medical record were grouped based on age, gender, onset of complication, response time to surgery, complication, and clinical sign and symptom. The data then analyzed univariability to describe each research variable. Then data analyzed using SPSS version 25, and this research pays attention to the basic moral principle, namely anonymity and confidentiality. And for the next is about the research. The data was then sorted based on inclusion and exclusion criteria so that 66 medical records of Dustira Hospital were obtained. For the first is about complication. The result of this study showed that the most complication acute appendicitis is local peritonitis as much as 71.2%. Then for about the age, the high prevalence in the age group was 17 until 25 years and more than 45 years, as much as 27.3%. And for the gender, based on gender, more women than men with 60.6%. In the clinical sign and symptom that most often found in patients with acute appendicitis are right lower abdominal pain and right lower quadrant tenderness, as much as 100%. The onset of complication of appendicitis is mostly at a duration of more than 48 hours, as much as 65.1%. Based on the response time surgery, the most surgery was 1 until less than 12 hours, as much as 60.6 after the first arrival to the hospital. And for the conclusion, case of acute appendicitis patient who come for treatment at Dustira Hospital with complication generally arrive more than 36 hours late. Cases of complication that occur in patient with acute appendicitis are local peritonitis, diffuse peritonitis, appendicular abscess, sepsis, and intra-abdominal adhesion. The number of patients with acute appendicitis complication who came for treatment at Dustira Hospital based on age, the most were 17 until 25 years old and more than 45 years old. Based on gender, the most were female patients based on the highest response time for surgery at 1 until less than 12 hours after the patient came to the hospital for the first time. For the clinical sign and symptom that were most often found were right lower abdominal pain and right lower abdominal tenderness, as much as 100%, and the onset of complication must occur within more than 48 hours. And for the acknowledgement, we are grateful to Faculty of Medicine General Ahmadiyani University and Dustira Hospital and for those taking part in this research. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.